Hi guys, it's Jamie here with Not Too Shabby. Welcome to our monthly inspiration hop, and you're in for a tropical treat. Today I'll be creating a fun and summery snow globe shaker card using the ultimate snow globe shaker die designed by LB Handcrafted. I'm pairing it with the vibrant Birds in Paradise ephemera and the coordinating Birds in Paradise 6x6 paper pad. I use that beautiful stamp set that goes with your snow globe shaker die. Now this die doesn't release until July 20th, so you're getting a little sneak peek here. It's designed to pair with Pear Blossom Press, shaker pouches, and light up features. These colors are just so happy and fun, perfect for a tropical twist on a winter snow globe. So how fun is this idea? I think this paper pad is so fun. I really love the pop of the plaid and the stripes paired with these tropical images. I think it's so playful, so cute and fun. Before we dive into that, I'm also showing you two quick cards I made using our tropical A2 card fronts. These pre-designed card fronts make it super easy to create professional looking cards in minutes. First up, we'll get started making those card fronts. Then I'll walk you through step by step as I put together our snow globe shaker. You'll love how it all comes together. Don't forget this video is part of our inspiration hop. One lucky winner will receive a $25 gift certificate to the shop. To enter, just follow the link in the description box and hop along to each creator in the playlist. You've got 1 week to enter, and the winner will be announced right here on YouTube in the community tab. So let's get crafty and make something tropical and fun. In the Tropical Junk Journals pack, there's a bunch of sentiments that you can use for your card fronts. So this makes it really quick and easy to create those cards. You've got all kinds of sentiments that go great with a tropical theme. You can also use these sentiments when making your cards using the ephemera and the paper pads from this month. So I'm just going to pick out some sentiments that I think go perfect with the images, and then all of these other images are in that pack. Beautiful tags that you can use to create some cards, junk journals, or whatever your heart desires. So I just trim my sentiments in strips, and then I keep them all together with my paper pad in the back. So I have sentiments ready to go. I also like getting my ink out and inking the edges of my card fronts and also the sentiments. So you can have fun with your inks, dress up your card as much as you want, or leave it plain and simple. I'll play a little music during the assembly process here, and then meet me back on the other side so we could talk about our snow globe.
The paper colors, sweet designs, stamps and dies, they all combine. Mix and match, have some fun. A handmade card for everyone. Feeling stuck, no need to fear. Inspiration's always here. Join a challenge, play along. Crafty friends make us strong. Not too shabby. Come create Not too shabby, here to stay, bringing joy in every way. Not too shabby, come create, easy crafting, no need to wait. Paper pads and ephemera bright, bringing card makers pure delight. So
How easy was that? So, two beautiful cards in a few minutes. So, I hope you check out our card fronts. They're listed on the website. So, now let's move on to our snow globe shaker. So, I am cutting out the circle here and we're going to add our acetate. I used some glossy accents type of glue to glue on my acetate. That will dry nice and clear, so if anything oozes out, it won't be as noticeable. I'm using some thin foam tape around my shaker frame, so I have a well to put all my shaker bits in. Our Christmas in July release is July 20th, and that's when the Snow Globe Shaker Die will be released, along with some other holiday products like a paper pad, ephemera pack. I will create a cute little bundle for you and have some items individually sold as well. So we're excited about that. I'm using some Crafty Mama Diary shaker pieces in here, and I'm just pulling out the teal color because there was no teal in my paper, but I thought the other colors matched perfectly. And I did forget to pull out one little shaker piece. So one is left in there, but no worries, you can't really tell. So I love that. So I'm just closing it up. So now we have the top of our snow globe. And then there's a slit in the bottom base that you can just put your little top in and glue it down. So now we have a beautiful snow globe. And now I can arrange however I want to decorate this. You can use stamps, ephemera, whatever you wish. Just use your pattern paper behind it if you want to keep it simple. There is a stamp set that we'll be releasing as well called Winter Wishes, and it's perfect for the nameplate on your shaker globe base. So I'm just stamping in thank you. So I'll glue that down right where that belongs. And then let's go ahead and decorate. So I thought I'd make a little bit of a half wreath with all the tropical leaves and flowers, and then have our two beautiful birds off to the side.
cut it, layer it, fill it with flair. A snowy little scene with love and care. Add some sequins, a critter or two. Now give it a shake, it's magic for you. You shake it like a snow globe, baby, let it snow. Glitters in the air and the joy starts to grow. When I see that card in the mail, oh my, it's the magic of the ultimate snow globe die. Designed by LVO, what a treat. That dome shape makes every card so sweet. From palm trees to penguins, it fits just right. Crafting day or night, it's a crafter's delight. Who needs a flake when you've got some bling? That shaker sound makes my heart sing. Open the envelope, what do I see? A snowy scene sent just for me. Shake it like a snow globe, baby, let it snow. Your crafty love has that holiday glow. It's not just a card, it's a glittery high with the magic of the ultimate snow globe die. Go ahead, shake it.
In that die set, you do get this hill border die, which is awesome because it's long enough for you to use on your A2 size cards as well as in the inside of your snow globe. So I'm using that as a decorative border at the bottom of my card. I wanted to break up the pattern a little bit, and then I'll add my snow globe right over the top. And I think that gives it a nice little place to sit. Kind of grounds it a little bit. I just really love how this card turned out. I think it's so pretty and so fun, and it's a shaker card. So I hope you guys will Think outside the box when you get your snow globe shaker die and create some fun, non-wintry snow globe cards. So I hope you guys enjoy the hop, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Cut it, glue it, stamp it bright, crafting magic day and night. Not too shabby, that's the vibe. Paper dreams that come alive. Hey, hey, grab your paper pad, layer it up, it's gonna look rad. Trim it, tape it, don't you stop. We're crafty queens, we're over the top. Sparkle dots and ephemera too. Shabby's got the goods for you. From card fronts to dies with flair, your crafty mojo's always there. Hey, hey, grab your paper pad,